Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I don't know how long this is going to last. We're going to run out of storage very quickly. That's why I've not been filming at all. Hopefully, I'll catch you guys up in this one and film something. So, okay. We've been restoring my truck that you saw in the last video. We cleaned it, tore it down, put a lot of new parts on it, and we're painting it. We've got new cab holders and rockers that go in here. I got a seat cover and floor mats. Right now, we're fixing the frame. We gotta weld that up. Let them up spring. The flatbed's outside getting painted. We got 2 new doors. We've cleaned the windows up. And a detailing kit. I'm getting ready to paint the battery box. We got it primered. Clean the wheels up some. Here's the engine. So hopefully this week coming, we'll have the truck almost done with the cab corners and rockers. We'll be able to put everything back together. Alright, so I'm getting ready to paint the battery box. But I just wanted to show you guys a couple things that we've been working on. Wait, I don't know if I told you guys this, but the transmission used to shift hard, but we got that fixed. We lifted the motor and everything's fine with it. We got this primer, most of it. We got all of the undercoat. It's going to be a jet black, blackout edition with chrome. So we're just fixing some rust issues with the battery, or the gas straps and stuff. We ordered 4 new shocks. We got to pick them up sometime. Besides that, it should be good. And eventually, I'll be ordering interior parts, but I got a radio too to go in right there. But over the course of me getting money, I'll be ordering new stuff. But the next thing I'm ordering after all these get done is windows for these doors and then the dash, because this dash is rough and I definitely want a new one. So here's the radio that I got, and then seat cover, and then the mats are in there. On the front grill stuff too. I'm probably getting new grill stuff eventually. Hopefully getting all new stuff on this truck. It's over there by the stove. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna cut to when I start painting. Alright. Getting ready to wash the grill up.
Be honest with you, I'm gonna run this water out of the casket. It does better.
Bro. Well,
It does better.
it was warm.
It wasn't that warm.
It was pretty warm.
It does better. We got good stuff here.
There's one. Okay. So, what we're doing right now.
I'll let you put this piece of chrome on.
I don't know how to do that.
I'll show you. I've never done it either, but I took it off so I think I can remember how to put it on. Okay, right here's the holes for it. And that's the front.
Oh, that chrome's on there.
Yeah. So that does the hole. I think it goes. I don't know if it goes. Are you matching up with anything down there yet?
No. I think you're missing
Neither.
one. Ain't nothing on
It
that.
goes in this right here. Well, does it stick on that? It won't stick over long. There's a hole right there, ain't there? What the hell's going on with this thing?
Yeah, but it don't fit in there.
What the hell's going on with it?
Hey, right here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it don't. hold on, it splits the difference in. But they're still not lining up at all.
Maybe it don't go on
Let
here.
me flip it over.
Maybe it goes on over here.
No, it goes on. I took it off this. I just flipped it over. That's no difference.
So confusing.
Yeah, like that. So you can think it go like this. Watch that spot. Maybe it goes right there. That hole. Yeah, it goes in those holes there. Maybe. That's where they go. It goes like that. But now, does the steel go? Does it go upward or downward, Tyler?
Downward.
Huh? You think
Down.
it needs flipped over?
Wait. Let me see. No. You
This
had it
right
right.
here is
You
how-
had it right.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Alright. Well, we'll stick it in there and I know where the nuts is. So it goes like this. Like that. I ain't in my hole. I don't see a hole right there. Hold on. Hold on, dude. It's scratching all the pieces.
Oh, God.
You know, we gotta flip it then. I couldn't get it right. So I'm gonna stick it in there. Yeah, now it's matching. See?
Huh.
Like that. Okay. So flip it over like this. And I'm gonna get the bolts, and all you do is just tighten them up, okay?
Alright.
Bolts are right here. Easy. They're rusty, but all you need is a 10mm right now.
Alright, I'm gonna get these bolts on. So we're gonna wipe it off now. We just cleaned it. I can do that.
What else is it to do?
You can find something.
You wanna do it?
Yeah?
Here you go. Man, that's looking good.
Alright. Got the grill dry. We need to go and put this thing on. Do we need to put the headlight stuff on first or after?
I put the grill on first.
Let's figure figure out how to do this here. I'll set you guys up somewhere. front assembly on. We got this part in and the grill and stuff. So we're gonna go over here and paint the battery box now. Alright, got the battery box painted. This is the first coat. So now we're gonna let this dry and we'll do the second. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. If you want more of this truck build, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Leave a comment on what you want to see next with the square body build. Sorry I ain't been getting videos out. I was sick and my phone's been messed up with storage. I barely got this video done. I've had to delete stuff because of storage issues. But we got a good bit done today. We got the battery box painted and the whole front assembly on. So now that that's done, the next step is going to be painting it. It's primered right now, black, but we're going to put a clear coat on it. So it's going to be more of a darker black, but kind of shiny. So with that being said, Merry Christmas, guys. I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.